I can hear you.
Okay.
Okay. So I've added two new projects, but for I need to um can I share my screen?
Yes, you can.
Okay. So I just need to know from you how to continue showing them. So I put them under portfolio, I put under projects. I put two new ones. So this one and this one. Okay? But when I go into viewing my website, hold on. When I view my website, I can't see it on here.
Go back to your website.
Okay?
Let me go to your website.
Oh, and this is not supposed to be under Apres Biomeat Collections. Okay, hold on. Does it need to be under a certain collection? Because then that's like doing double the work.
Let me check one second.
Okay.
Let me share my screen.
Share your screen?
Yes. Okay, so which page is this? Under
Mine.
the this page or services page?
No, on this page I want it to show up.
Okay, on the home page, you want to display more here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let me go to manage project and go.
Oh. So the top two I want to add.
So just select it and continue.
Uh-huh.
And you can see here, those will display now.
Oh.
Just click save. And once it will be done, then you can see more
Oh,
to
great.
edit here.
Oh, okay, cool.
And then
So,
just click publish.
oh, publish. Okay, so for the future, I go into editing the website. Well, first I add it into project,
Yes.
right?
Yes,
Then I go into the editing this site, then I do manage projects and then add it.
exactly.
Okay, great. Okay, I think that is good. Anything else I need to know?
Yeah. No. If you need to know anything else, just let me know.
Okay.
If you face any issue as well, I am here to
Okay.
assist you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. I appreciate your help.
Yeah, you're most welcome.
Okay.
Bye for now.
Okay. Bye.